The rain, it's falling down. It's quiet. I sing a sound, but the rain of the sound grounds my nerves. Blood streams through my veins. No rush, just silence around the corner. My mind holds memory, seeking through fire, searching for order, lost in chaos, blank space. It's quiet. There's no more thinking required, and still, the voices in my head want to come out. Grab the bottle, swallow it down, heat rising in my mind, blank space. Pass out. The rain and its falling sound grounds my nerves while I'm breaking down.